Welcome back to another video, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be putting the V3 Strafe Design Diffuser on my WRX. I already opened the package and everything. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, especially if you own a CVT. Or if you just own a WRX, that's fine too, you know? I make good content, like if you want to learn certain things. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's go. Alright guys, I got the diffuser out of the box. I put it underneath the car just so I could see how it's gonna sort of look. I think it's gonna look super good. I went with the rounded fins because that's how the original diffuser of the WRX has, sort of rounded, so I think it will just complement the car a lot better. So I think I'm just going to start by putting on the sides right here first. Hopefully I don't have to lift up the car, but since I'm lowered already, I probably am. Anyway, Strafe Design sends you directions actually on how you're supposed to install this. So it gives you all the tools required, gives you everything. Except they don't send you the two stickers like on the side of the diffuser. So hopefully they don't take a long time to send those, because I know they took forever for this diffuser to come in. There's some more instructions. And also before I did have the Aeroflow Dynamics diffuser, the V5, which I thought was cool, but it was just too dangerous, man. That thing was so like sharp from the back. I'm like, no, I cannot have that. So I just went with this more safer option, let's say. Which I think is gonna look super cool too. This is honestly just gonna set the car perfect from the back. I don't even think it's gonna need anything else. However, comment if you think I should put like a big wing on it, or should I just leave it like that? Okay guys, I used a jack to put it on this, on each side. I really couldn't put it all the way back because the jack, I jacked it up from like right there. So both sides are at least the same. The e-brake as well, make sure to put that on if you're using this type of thing here. But now I could actually work under the car. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the pipes. I'm just gonna use this water thing right here. Let's see, from Chemical Guys, waterless car wash. Just clean up the pipes so they look nice and clean. And then I'm just gonna get to it. To start off this process, you're gonna go look under your car. So this is my left side. And you're gonna find these 3 holes. So it's 1, 2, and then there's one right here. And it says to use half a drill bit so you can make these holes a little bit bigger to fit one of these things right here. However, I didn't really have a half one. I just had this one, so I just did a little by little, test fitting them until they were snug. I didn't want to overdo it because then you have to make a new hole or something. I don't know. You're kind of screwed right there, but just be careful. Take your time, and they should all come out good. And they supply you with 6 of these, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and then the same on the other side. So then after that, for each hole, you're just gonna use a washer and one of these that they provide you, and then just tighten it up, and then you should be good to go. However, for me, I'm gonna have to find the new clips, because when I had my V5 diffuser, I lost a bunch of clips, as you see here. So it's all loose and wiggly. And yes, you get a little bit messy, but nothing too bad. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how it looks from the side view. And then so you just have the bolt and the washer, 3 of them, and then you just tighten it up. I think it's a 10mm. Anyways, right now I'm just gonna go do the other one real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm trying to install the center one. Okay guys, that's about it. I just added another bolt right here to prevent it from shaking and stuff, so now it's sturdy and it's not coming. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side, just so I feel more secure that it's not gonna fall off or anything, you know. So okay guys, so I'm going to start putting the main diffuser on. So let's see. So this is the first one. Let's see. This is the first one that they say. So you're gonna want to take off the second one. That's what I'm doing. That's a 10mm, and they're gonna do the same exact thing on the other one. And then you would just put your thing and then tighten it back up with the same bolt. Okay guys, so here's my fog light, and then it's gonna be the first hole that you're gonna have to put this thing, the bolt and the nut. I put a washer on this side too, so you're gonna have like a wrench on holding it on this side, and then I'm screwing this up. This will serve as like a bolt to bolt on the diffuser. And then you also have to do it to this side. So right here you can see that it has a clip. I still need to take it off, and then I'll put the bolt with the washer on top, and then the bottom. It might be a little difficult, but you could bend these a little bit, mess around with them. Just make sure to not over tighten them, because then you'll have a problem. So I think I'm gonna put these ones on first, and then I'll put these ones on. Okay guys, so I got the diffuser on. The fog light's up here. So right here, the stud is just gonna be pointing down. So what we're just gonna do is get a washer and then the bolt, and then just tighten it up. And then same with this side, super easy. And then the back ones, so I put that into that. The only good thing about this is that it's kind of flexible, so you could adjust it to fit right now. And then I just need to tighten these two, and then we should be all good to go. I still need to do the other side though, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Okay guys, this is how it looks. It looks super good. And from the bottom, and then over here, and then on the sides, on the other side. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Okay guys, this is the final product. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button and comment on things you guys would like to see. And I think that's about it, guys. Let me just shoot how it looks from the side one more time. Oh yeah, looks so good, guys. And then from the back real quick. Yeah, this honestly just finished it off. So much better. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.